Yamamo akwapa. Efi tumilikane share yen ewo Facebook and afinsi YouTube na yemfa kasebo no echiri wankasa ensomum. Yen sha kasebo na se enfemfiri oswafo no ena wo hwe oman Ghana amanwe ensem so mekire interior minister oniminyamfo Mohammed Muntaka Mubarak edensem atudwa echiri misem. Emprempra me no kasei enipa no pode bassa. Wone mu nyinada ahwere wone monkwam. Afoforo bebro aduno ena mu nyinada eda yaresabia. Ewo mra edanya eno no eya brosenya poso emiensa ewo Accra New Town etimi adwiregu egu adehie yi eso na nkwanhia wei esiye endrada na yekusiada ewo mra edanya mpanifo esia wonum enwie yakwasibo ni beka ne say uncompleted structure eho no na eye ewo Accra New Town eye experimental basic school eno na ye den eye wonum dia na so mu kire mi say kristofo som bi ko bi ede honom ede ya soro dan a wanum ekwa asoro honom ewiadom yenu kwasiada bia kwapema numre no nsia na jawo mo honom a wonom soma na na fofia ntoata edani atumi adwiri ede agu adehia yisu a enipa pade basa ena wonom afrimu a afoforo bebradu no womo so da yaresabia mi kase doctor fo gina wonom so epre wonom enkwam na mra nkwanhie si ye no otumija adwumayokoma ena afenso ahobambo koma nya womode amomo ye ha ekopie mu a wonom badwumaden ye pa edikan Ghana Police Service ekopie mu sanso na Ghana National Fire Service otumija adwumayoko no mante badwumaden ananya semkuma sanso na asehwe oman Ghana atoyanchem adwumadie so mekire National Disaster Management Organization NADMO ekopie mu ekaka National Ambulance Service ho a wombo moden ene ade hia wonom wo Accra New Town badwumaden ye pam edimfide mumunutum edwiri edan na abuo no gunchen eyi ade hia ni pie ya omo ya adwumaso ne ye pam na no mu na so afo hwe oman Ghana manwe sensem so oniminyamfo Mohammed Muntaka Mubarak kire mu sei asemu asie emu oya sese ye kese no ontumi emfanensa emfense ne bo enka nkire ye sei enipa mo wadan ne mu nyina wo mode ayi wo mu nyina pie wo mu gusu apu adwumaden do na adwena mo anda wo mu gina mu naso papa na so wo kirem sese yi mpremprenye dem do betumi aka ne sei enipa pode edenu miensa ena mo ho aka e wodan ye dwiriguye ewo Accra New Town emum na wo kirem a emum akoma basade wo mu nyina da hwere wo no nkwa enu achi bebradu no eda yaresabia a doctor fogiro egina wo no so epre wonom enkwam oniminyamfo esan edensema di sei enipa o mapra mo ho aka dwam dodo na ayema na mo maka ne so eye mo franketewa ena mekase mo ho atumi aka dwam ye pa mo prepare yom da sesi no emu eden ye pam na wo kira mekase no eye ade a wo ntumi fo mo so enso mo nkase nipa no mayi wo mo nyina awie entom guso mo badwumaden ahwese be ya nipa hodo aka wo fom ho nyina no wo mbetimi eyi wonom na ba Facebook no so a DLFM 106.9 ebran kwanhye si ye no fo ne wo de twagu ye ne bi atoso a wo ba wo benya bi ahwem don minyamfo Muntaka Mubarak Mohammed edin semsei eto nsentwerefo en mra eda no edwirigura ye no
for information that have been cross-checked, double-checked, visited all the hospitals just to be sure that we don't give any information that may be far away from the fact. As we all know, I mean, it is very difficult for you to be able to tell how many people were in there, but at least with the cross-check from the, I forgot the ambulance service. The ambulance service, their team, I mean, they've been here the whole night. I mean, and they've done a wonderful job. We are really very grateful. The media, yourself, and everybody that I may have forgotten to mention. We've gotten the fire service to do the count of what they were able to do. We've gotten police to do their count. We've gotten NASMO to do their count. We've gotten the ambulance service to do their count. And at least we've put all the information together. And what we can say is that there was a total of 23. Unfortunately, we've lost 3. The 3 that we've lost are a male and 2 females. We are not able to tell names for now. And thank God, 20 are alive in various hospitals. We have police hospital, the 37 military hospital.
Oh, and seven emu yapa. Any awuti ye ayoniminyamfo no no hwe oman Ghana. Ya man yen so mekire interior minister oniminyamfo Muntaka Mubarak Mohammed. Na nu wachi ana otumija adwumayoko no emlanto mbo adwumade pa de ma adwumakuo no emu ba ko no so eka omkasa maafo ho ne den ede ADO1 Isaac Kwadwo ase den sem sei eto nsentwerefo ani
ye ni pani bia bo metima ka se bo be ahomache don kono ani nipa na ye na nipa 23 ebi ka 20 bi ka 20 but pay confirmation 22 now they were talking about other person but 22 I mean see more make us say ye di mu ba ko awofo ba ko chese on de ne ba ne environment to the University of Ghana Medical Center 12 that was 37 and it was 6 that was police hospital now if you Adjoa some man in Bema ba ko so police work tie ka number ni na bo na ye 22 and yet me ye be hwa ahomache ni ye ni na ne say e be ma excavator na ye union of African Armed Forces omo modin so be clear entire place to ma clear na e say ni susu ese bia ni bi shase to ye clear bi no nyame ya ye nya obi a wa si na there is a 22 na nya wo mfu no sabre die fiti enu na ya preso de metima ka say spray bi to make ni na be ya clear the entire place ni na bia e metima ka so bi fa fu bi a shase 22 na nya
Enya 22 na eni yenye ni awuti ye eye ADO1 Isaac Kwadwo obo adwuma edema odumja adwuma yoku no eka wodom kasamafo ho ena wote ni na enu achi ena nadmo coordinator edema ayawaso central abato mpesu aso eye Mr. Mohammed Awa onso din semse etun sentrefo ani.
So you can ascertain the reason why Ejina ho amonye hwehwe and the want to make one access because akwa uncompleted and can complete here yen use and no the way to maybe say why is it not being in good use. So let me say the Mikai say your report as a NAD report their amba table so say I was say your condom area and yet no one will see it is a MC na baha abe mom one is ma obi en go use facility then coming in say be to say there but all me say also to am making sure say every structure that height another gravity you have to go and see where if the pillars or whatever the building are the structured now BBC and see that you take over assembly and it's a year and a half so most of the assessment and I report in a way table so so for now once I report the amba your table so you say feeling the system and I feel mine. So far I had dilapidated buildings in New York close about 4 I mean you can say a bit police phone them occupy space I cordon off place the next day I call home also on my caution tape on until we serve as a blueprint for us.
Any awuti ono and a nadmo coordinator edema disha wanom ewo ayawaso central abato mpesu asne de Mr. Mohammed Awa na enu wachi ena mashebedwane edema ayawaso central oni miyamfo Ralph tubazo enso din sem tudwa echirimi sem ade yasie mu oyepa na meka sei abusuya baako emu ni pode benum 5 ono mu nyina de ho aka adwam mu oyepa na ohye ade hye mo ho aka adwam ne bose Yakopon aya dom Ghana mampeni berema oboada ene o my Ghana ebegina o machi ahwe mo ho kanyina so mo nyina yade kama sebe ya busua no entua ka previous de asie o my Ghana ya bam ene da.
Their father was here last night, and we were able to move the mother to 37. So we are trying to reach out to everybody and ensure how we can assist them. Myself, we are doing everything. At this is the time we are going to ask these guys to bear this one. This is a national issue. So whatever we are first aid is our responsibility. We must ensure that they're taken care of, and whatever needs we need to do to support them go through this this period. We provide the assistance needed.
Eni awuti ye mashebedwane edema adehia wanom ewo ayawaso central oniminyamfo Ralph Tubazu ena wote ne nkan na nakwa akra mu no ena adehia wanom ewo Accra New Town echirima de asie mu oyama kwanendim sa edan na esi wanom a emfia pode be de ye wo ntamu ni achapa mu jiremi se mampanin data wanya ne ba bi kro Professor Evans Atamaris ena shasie yes project we na so aban kɔ na aban aba wo matwemani atwemani aboyen fitan duku enne mframa bo se kwaye de ne den adwudwira gu am aka de hwemo so do modu nsem eto nsentwerefo anim
no de menka do mo minimum bi mu sister ba ku wo na Otina sebo mutimi yinu. Otina no haba yentimi yinu. Etumi yinu. I'm sorry. I'm almost started 12, no more upon 6. Until I met a ban on my who not in a baby almost. Jesus. Mary. Oh, Jesus.
No, sir, wife. No, sir, wife. Honorable, my daughter is dead. She's dead. My daughter is dead. Yes. My firstborn is gone. My firstborn is definitely gone. My firstborn.
Any awoti ye aya deshia one more Accra New Town. Omudo mani kotu awisie ehun kwanhie si ye 100 no emunchire mu ena womode asem ye. Na ne kwa kra mu no ena openi Paul no na my Ghana. Oye kwanchirefo openi adema adesua anaso ye hwe humasua so mekire Director General Edema Ghana Education Service Mr. Professor Ernest Kofi A. Davis chiremu say said yankwanhia na akoye sese no adesuafo a wonom eco school ewa Accra New Town eye experimental basic school ho no no enya de betumi amakwan mu bia tumi akọ school sese na asahwe omanga na homasua so beye mputupuru eye putupuru nhyiamudie ne do yada ma kwanfa ho do mbefa se beye amofra na ho bambo nsem ebetumi akonka ne.
To do immediately is to convene a meeting. We are going to have an emergency meeting with the regional and the national team to work with the state department to look at the structural integrity of all completed spaces that are being used to ascertain whether they are right. Once we are sure that they are safe to use them, once they are not safe, we will make sure students don't such spaces. So we are going to look at the lessons learned and what it means going forward.
Any awuti ono ene ye kwanchirefo openi adima seya ehwe my Ghana yahumasua eso mekire Director General Edema Ghana Education Service nedin edi Professor Ernest Kofi Davis.
Yentoa kasiebone so na nhwehwemu abetodwa no chese mo from adin fihia ne beye eyedumienu no emu 40% de kaka ha omadwen papa omuntimi entwetwe omusiye nti kaka no hwe mfimpimienu ne aduonu nsia ne de a na mofra ne mu beye 40% de yade ase yawe ha wom na afie etwe mu eno eye mfimpimienu ne aduonu num ni mu nhwehwemu abetodwa no chema eye mofra ne beye 58.5%. Ana na se yawe ha wo ma ebakaka na emu 51.7%. Ana chese ha wo mo so omosi ase na chese omutimi twetwe omosi ye omosi kaka seniors omosi na ye chese aprokra omokasa enkanso efrom anumu ba no enya eno so na mo ye be 38.5%. Na omokasa official opening no course so ora family dental care okofoyia obenimbo so me ne de toso aduonu wotwe won fimpimienu ni aduonu nsia yimu ana chief executive officer edema oral family dental care Dr. Dent Emmanuel Ba abeka edi tudwa na ochemu se esansi yawe ntimofra ne bebre na entimi mo ma adwen enkoma disua so esan kaka ne anum kanto mo bie ma no no mo ne mo nafofo kasa na cheso mo sere wom enu ntino mo mpeso mbetimi akotena classroom se na be yo mbetimi asuade ene teacher ni kira de na obisa question no mo ntimi so we nkase be esan so mo bie o manum sisi na fofo so no ebesere wo mo so no mafere enu nti no mu ntimi ma o ma adwen no enko ma disua so bi okra na edware no nko school a no akope baabi atena esan so okọ na okọkasa sisi ane na fofo ebesere no nti ye Dr. Emmanuel Abeka e de futu akwa ma eye awofo nyina so momma mani enko momma ne ho osori anopa wankasa bomodin aso betimi atwetwe ne se no e de ama no opon anumre so na okoda wankasa twetwe ma no for brush and shabo frani Samson ranka century na de front enuma and the president ne kra de emofrani bia ya na e yomode intend de omunya de brush ne show manuma o mata free president na chese o mato brush no atu baabi nta ofo no mamode aso mani ebetimi akom fra no se ne be ye omo so beboa no madisua ho nsem etimi akoye.
Really like this question. I appreciate it because it is of concern. And you see, not only does this affect their health, it affects their schooling too. That's what research has shown. That if a child has tooth problems, especially toothache, they can't concentrate in class. And they are not even able to tell specifically sometimes what is wrong with them. What I'll tell parents is this, that please, be very particular about your child's oral health. Don't leave the child to go and brush your teeth, then you just leave it at that. No, follow through. How is the child doing it? Demonstrate to the child. And be looking into their mouth every now and then. We are not saying that don't give the child sweet. They can take sweet in moderation. However, where the sweet maybe, over there, the last thing that the child needs to do, or you need to do for the child, is to brush the teeth before the child sleeps, so that every debris or food particle, whatever it is, will be cleared off before the child goes to sleep. Because the organisms that work on the tooth, they do so mostly at night, long hours of sleep. By the time you wake up, they've worked on the teeth and they are causing damage to it. So parents should pay particular attention, and from time to time, they should go and visit the dentist. We have pediatric dentists to attend to them. They will show them what to do for their children. When even there are little problems that are coming up, they will help solve them.
Enwechi ana Dr. Ba Abeka edi tuja ana oche musasi yari de ya na ha adwen into Ghana hanoma ye population be 70% no bebre na ya dias yari ha wom te wo so mutimi ekwa ya sabia na omo so no etimi ekosho omo se ho yari nde okọ dentist so no ma no ahwehwem ni wanhu se wo se no se ne titwite na be ye se wo so ohuru wanu mu ma wo so kyerekye kwan abefa so a obetimi edi wo se hu ni so ebetimi abo oman no.
So it is a very worrying situation. It's a very worrying situation because if we are taking 70%, then it means it's only 30% who are really abreast or who are up their game when it comes to oral health. It's a very worrying situation. What we can do is one, proper dental education, oral health education. Because if people will listen and we can tell them what they need to do to prevent, then we don't get there. We don't get to have conditions of oral health. So preventive dentistry is one of the key areas that our facility here we want to really lay emphasis on. And aside that, we should leave that notion that Dr. Nbetu will say. And yes, sir, the last thing a dentist wants to do is to take out your teeth. We always want to preserve the tooth. We want to save it. That's what makes us heroes, but not taking out the tooth, but rather preserving. So, social ideas, social ways we go to see how we see them for dentists. A standard doors on the idea, they be no shit. On make sure near bed wow. Then Momoto on a child, and now, yeah, so that I won't say let's come away.
Eni ya uti ye Chief Executive Officer Edema Ora Family Dental Care Dr. Dent Emmanuel Ba Abeka na ne krakramo anasana hene Edema traditional new job in traditional area ye nana opoku champon ejina oma hene Edema new job in traditional area da sebre ko ekubuate otoso miensa anemu ekasa ye ede abasobode ede common management Edema Ora family dental care so mo so basic clinic e o masase so no mo pa kwanya ne se mebu na wo honom so no ebetimi enya ejumaye
ono nakopanya adoma betina abenya yesu no ensama baye miensa enkabum odo ene impuntu awo ne peswaso ndi se nenya kopon ya dom na adwumakasi ba ne peswaso o se ono de we bie ne pono ato amobia sabi onye kakai o ni pate se ya So wow baby e bi o company no pasre no e hu so DLFM no a enya adwuma be adwuma ye the more adwuma na cost no person aso na for bi amadwa be ma na eye kase na o ma Ghana so eye kase does it for me say oh Emma Opia, and Uti, Munyabia, and in Fipon will be, or do not about to
DLFM 106.9.
And near Uti ye, Nana Opoku, a champion, no, and a sana hine at the Manu Jabin traditional area. Na Maniboy and Sam Troni, continue Kofi Obo, and a different poem and temo, Ebesumi.
Yan toa Kasiabon Swe, na yan fair infant chirimum, Ewa Pono East, Mantemnim. Na adehia wonom edua tomatoes e wotua bottom eno no watechiman not mensenem e wopono east mantemnim adehia yi ede adesere ede ato Ghana mampani e na afi onom ka biewum efie kuya ho sei wonom esere wonom ada en manimu yada won betumi aboa pa e ma oman Ghana tomatoes dudu bi ayepe no yensa tumi aka saban boa omunkuto de ombetumi ayepa na adehia kiremi sei ye bani sendenne Burkina Faso men ede wo hye ede ato amama ahodo a wonom ekwakofa tomatoes ebeton na omu kiremu a we hinya de nkese ye tipaye ede ma oman Ghana na nyina ne sei enam sei ye mpanimfo ente akwafu achinti ena ha we nyina ababeka oman adehia kiremu sei ubogura mu egwo techiman not mensenim ewo bunu east mantemnim am asase bede a chese ode nobaye gusu a etumeso na bribra omugo bi pam Omu mebunu so omu ho den a omani briku adwuma pa adwuman omu guso ye nanso enam sei akade ne mwani honti omu nyina pa ba ekwafo yi kiremu sei tese ameke sei epebre ba wonu mudua tomatoes kwen ba fa so megugu sunsuo no omu nya bi ente ombe hia irrigation system pa betumi nya boa na motumi nya nsuo e dia petepete wonu no baye no eso se koba ne sa no monsan ka pa mudua pa na nyina gu na seka na apa emra de hye gemre na wonom ne die ka se botwetwe nkomo no na wonom ekiremu sei aho pa na ba fi se ne wo penuaba ahodo e tomatoes nuaba wo didua pa enche na aso kama na ne bo eden wonom ntumi ntua ho ka entiam besra aban emfa ebuo ni bi eno wa kire nso eye ne mahodo mmode ade petepete wo kuaye na no baye so mekire agrochemicals no aban mmode emfa ho ka ebi anteso mfa ma wonom ne mo asabe betumi aboa na adwuma ahodo mo ye no ometuma ye ne no man ye nyuma tumi enya ho emfaso ebi kura kiremu sei wo hwa ehya kese a Burkina Faso man ede ato adehia na mama hodo mefa tomatoes efiro mo man mu na eyade omani age eye omoda pa efiri sei no ane sei na man sei betena Ghana man yi mu na ye ne yankasa yentimitins ensikua enuanua tomatoes na mama ye ho akire ye senti ohye ne beboa ye me ye ne yankasa atumi adwene ye ma ho na yetimi ede tomatoes ibi ebi nso akasa ekiremu sei be ye mpa nuani mu yada Wamonya mra ebetumi ya boa na Ghana adehia mo de bia da oman Ghana ade wa ha mompe amaho do so ne manko na mope Ghana ni dua tomatoes ayesenya de yempe na ma mode afaka na makofa Burkina Faso de o kirema sanka hyehyɛ patumi basa na ye konbedo ye nka se de ne mode atu ho sana boma oman Ghana ekuafo amudo tomatoes nso yatumi ato wa mu kimedu ba bia ya sa Ghana ne ba yi adwuma den sana nso onya tofo ha wo mo pan no kan na ne dodo na wo mo entimi enya kwan Ekuafo de adesere ede ato osoafo no ena ohwe oman Ghana mfiridwuma so no nyamfo Elizabeth ofosu ajare na afi Ghana mampani beremo oboata John Dramani Mahama na omka bia wom nyina nim se de aduro yom hiamwa so mbo omkuto de akwa no betumi ayem oman Ghana man nyina yatumi enya ho mfaso
ya ma o cross border no ye nanso senka aban mitumi bua twebodom fo se yenye sa dry season tomatoes you dia ka be bua ye pa because afibia na nka ye tete no nyina na efre bibi petra e bua ama nkranfo no ba omunya ne ma kama pa esi ameka se kura okobushi atwebodom ha mo aduan to se na ma na ya kese akase bebre atechemu die no bi nti senka aban na bua ya nka be bua pa na ne ma no so ade ye ne aduma no nyame ne bua den fertilizer bua so too much Laza the boss too much seed na sisi aba cobra na tenga na giver na yedua ni na boarding para ntinka ba be boya na nka ye trade minister for trade ofuso ejale ye sre pa senka otidi ameka ya na nka wa boya wa ye mwa
gidi say
ya ha no aban eboa ya yebetumi aye adwuma no Ghana enko fantus sesia no dry season no ha no hedani isu bebre ya yede ye sa adwuma no bi gidi se aban no etim ema boreholes na dam ahodo a wetumi feed Ghana ewo dry season no nim se sa time no a ni baby ebe yo intra omu ekobokena ho ekofa eba no na ebesere ma no so yemaye ni so de we yekuru
ti de esla ban se obeboy na ye hasu tomatoes ne bia na wo bokena seed na edua no ha no bia na wo bokena no nti no ye besele se ye yeso na se eba so anka ma no atofo no adwadifo no beboy na nka ma ba befa amaye na so yakuafo no ye ni age yekua no na etima feed Ghana meteze ye ma no ntimi nko bokena nkoto niema ni biem famba bi na ye mede because de niema na wa na bia na wo ho ana ye haso no e season by season na ye de tomatoes nti se ha season no eba na bi ni wo no mo kwadia no na beboy na bi wa na ye season no tomatoes na ba so na cars no atofo no mu twam eba sa na ma ye ha no niema no e sei
ye pese Ghana ban boy se be ya betima tere kwalima ni mo because say edu dry season na ye ni dama e bia ana ma support kwalima no ya be season by season ti ye se Ghana ban
ene ya woti ye ayo my Ghana ade sha wonom ewo bunu east man terminum ewo techman north mensenem ena mu chirim se tomatoes ne de omunum dua nanso munya moape ko meye pa tiabodomfo ena wate wonom enie yenyina we so yekenka madwenkyere ne bi emfanso mo ewo kasebo no eso na yekọ Facebook no so Arijana Buadi di aba no so ma ya ho me wofa ene Adjoa Agyei ne adwumade amoboso mo man na sanse na Boatema Mary di aba no so ma ya ha me wofa Sammy B ene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa o say in fact awre ho pa o se enipa makwa asode na eden adwuragu wo so ma enipa ebi ahwere wo nkwa foforo prepre mu oya Yankopon fo mo kra emfansie wo mo ahwere wo nkwa na wo so mo prepre na twede yampon Yankopon ensa wo nyina ya de na Arijana Buadi di asande aba no so ma ya ha na ya hote so share life edi free achimota market Martina Richard ahwedi aba na so ma ya ha o na encha kase enkoma Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa na adwumade a yebo edesom o my Ghana na okirema de asi wa Accra New Town ne mu yapa Yankopon koso amfa de hye no ekra emfansi no okirim se kase ebo ne mu oda na nam DJ Ghanaman firi nso DLFM Ness okirim se kase ebo ne ona pu bam edi adia ekasen ode asena adwumade a yebo edesom o my Ghana na Dr. Down Bro de aba no say ohwe life edi frɛ ye brimso apa usika ena okirem se oba be yamanyosem de esi na de ba anya de ayebe kan ye nkan na yenyina we so na kasebo no ye mfansi na nsa na yebe kɔ no awoda ba ko mienu bi aba ye ntin firi hɔ no na ye nso konwa so na Adjoa sikini apamfo emagya konwa no emfa dia odwumadie no entoa dwumadie eso na me ena woda kese ba ko aba ekɔde ama Mr. David Labi eye adwuma ewo conship itema hebo honom ena wo ye adwuma enti happy birthday senior ya menhyira opinu awoda no onya wo sonko kura adepa ne yesre de afiri twide amponyankopon chense onkoso ama wo kwatenten na yediem no wabra bom na onkoso ama wo nya kese enkopem se obeye kese pa na hoba monsem entumi enyere emfama wo happy birthday ekode ama wo Mr. David we ye adwuma ewo conship tema haba ehwa na we ye adwuma we Efri Anjara Boaten ene wo se yemfa woda sonku we yemfa me wo fa se Anji Anjara Boaten na wo se yemfa woda kesi we mfa mo Yankopon hye opa na woda no onje ne sonko kram de di hobio Kofi fa koma me yekɔ ama Nana Akosua asiedu a toso emienu Nana Akosua asiedu a toso emienu ono na ye Ntom Queen Mada oba ahema de ma de hye a wono wo Ntom na ne ye wa wodante Nana nyame hyira opi no wa woda no onye ne sonko nyansa ne mu diado bebu man ena yesre ediamon omo ho ban se be yo se photo so sa nensa enkan happy birthday ena yesre ediamon Nana asiedua otosumienu Nana Akosua asiedu otosumienu ono ne ye Ntom oba ahema we Efri Samuel ofoli Boaten oye our Ashanti original correspondent ena o se yemfa woda sonko we no yemfa emonana ya menhyira pinu woda no onye ne sonko na omo ho ban emfa emayen na ne kwakura mu no ekode ma Mr. Daniel Mensa oye media personality ewo diplomatic affairs diplomatic affairs media no ka ho pa ewo nkrabo parliamentem hanom na Samuel Ofori Boaten chirim se na danfo pa ne na ne twidi ampo Yankopɔn ya dom na ɔde afe ba ko de aka amfie ho am Mr Daniel Mensa ya menhyira opini wa woda no onye ne soronko ekwatente onyini kyerɛ ene ahobampo ene nsɛm kyerɛ dwuman emu de Yankopɔn ma wo nsan ka bi na nkoso ama ho ban enye wo firi watamfo nsɛm happy birthday once again Mr Daniel Mensa we are media personality was some diplomatic affairs media team ka ho won krabo premantemu ena Samuel Foliboaten we ya na musini wasantemantemu no se yemfa woda sonko we no yemfa emmam kasebo ne ye de asi emusamufo ne ye maize mebelantwene se mu ete emma yen champion tailor ena fi me wo fase market said ye kupie mum wo Facebook ena fi se YouTube makasebo no wonya bi ehweye DJ Zigibi echinchim kasefiri mfuma edesum yen say technical producer enen so eya woda kese bio ekodiama Mr. Bosu Kenan ni din mo se ye friend say Mr. Asante ni din ye de ba dia sa Asante na the Nicholas Mr. Nico na your birthday enti senior ye we show ya menyo kese pa na mfa mfra domu kwa domu ye mpa ebo ne so ne Nyankopɔn ode afe ba kwa kan fi nim de odo be yenti no onkoso a nhya woden no mo ho ban firi watamfo nsem ye de ne kwatente ne yekoso a esre edema so happy birthday Bosu Kenan Mr. Nicholas Asante I think so na ye patron Edema DLFM College Association kuno ananya ono so Mr. Nico ene Nyankopɔn nya okese pa na wawoda no onye ne sonko kram akenka for ye sinko nya be so mo ne dia meje so yo wofa o se ade ode one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hoteden ene bantwere bona na otafri ja ede ade a eka sensini ama ne ni me prempreche mpapreche hene mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
o se ho ebi mototo ayempia ba so
There's so man.
Enquires. You have a money to adeshe.
Give us